Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Load test still may be required by the AHJ.
Farescape engineers inspect the summary video. Here we are. Just doing this particular Farescape here. Another video was already done with this crossover that came through the 24 from the 26. That side over there is the 22. So just this Farescape. Must be structurally sound, must be kept painted, as you can see. Needs a paint job, full paint job. It has lead paint. It's older than 1978, has lead paint. It also has some structural issues. Even though you can see all the rebolting, they changed all the bolts. There's some fundamental activity here that happens, so welding is not recommended for fixed joint, for any joint that needs to be flexing. So this welded here, as you can see, we need to create a bolt here, and this tube is undersized to carry a whole entire Farescape. This must be at least 3x3. So the tube can stay, we can sister on a 3x3 angle on this side and that side to carry the entire weight of that Farescape system. Continuation. So a lot of times the support structure goes all the way to the ground, but we need to secure the feet here. There's a little bit of movement. This whole roof line here.
Load test still may be required by the AHJ. Failed with major repairs. Technical repair report for bidding. Restoration with permit by a fully licensed vendor. Engineer oversight. 3 site visits. Certification with owner liability in lieu of a load test. Farescape issues. Photos represent what the violations are, not where they are or how many exist. Pass-fail inspection, not technical repair report.